Hello my darlings, I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Today I have some beautiful spring decor for you. For DIY number 1, I'm using these two round signs from Dollar Tree and I'm using the back side of it and I'm just distressing them with a Casio Waverly chalk paint just to get that rustic look on my signs. Next, I'm adding 2 mini metal hooks with a bolt just to see where I'm gonna add these beautiful candle sconces on top of my sign. And with the help of the hammer, we're gonna add that bolt. Super simple and easy. And since you see that sign is moving and I cannot put the bolt on, I call my husband to help me. So he's my little helper today. Every episode I got helpers. Last one was my daughter. This one is my husband. And who knows who's gonna help me on my next video. I'm just joking. So doing the second hook on the second sign as well. Adding that mini metal hook just like that. That one is almost done too. Very pretty. Look how pretty it's gonna look. I'm really loving them. You're gonna see them at the end of the video. Today I'm so happy that I'm part of a Hello Spring challenge hosted by these 3 amazing ladies, Tammy, Ellie, and co-hosted by Brenda. The amazing playlist: Rusted Willow Tammy, beautiful home decor. If you haven't visited her channel, please do so. Ellie, DIY from house to home, amazing beautiful home decor as well. And Brenda, rustic and lace DIY, my amazing friend, super talented with some beautiful home decor and inspiration, along with the amazing playlist with super talented creators today. DIY number 2, I'm transforming this old thrifted vase into something else. I'm using a Midnight Garden folk art paint and going all over until I cover the full vase. I'm really liking this color. It's really beautiful. Just going all over. Now to get it dry faster, I'm using the heat gun, going all over before I go to the next process. Next, I'm using a CeeJ folk art Waverly paint, going all over, distressing with a brush. On some parts I did heavy and I tried to erase it and it didn't work. So I'm just going all over, try to cover it, and I didn't like it, but I'm still going with the process to see where it's gonna go. Still doing the distressing with the CeeJ folk art paint with the brush, and I'm not happy with it. So when all that is done, I just decide to grab my sponge and all that paint that it's left that I was using, I'm just smooshing or tapping, whatever you call it, and going all over the vase. And I got the look that I like. I got all those mixture of all those beautiful 4 or 5 different paints that I use. Midnight Garden, Skyline, Concrete. I don't even know what else I used. And I really like the look that I really love. And look at the transformation. Can you believe it? You're gonna see at the end. And for DIY number 3, I'm gonna use this beautiful Picnic Suitcase that I found at thrift store. In order to get that dusty look, rustic look, I'm adding a folk art CeeJ, just distressing all over, so we can get that look of the suitcase that when we went to the garden outside or into the forest and we were collecting flowers, and we put them in this beautiful basket. Next, I'm adding a large styrofoam boards and I'm gonna add 3 layers of them. Those are perfect styrofoams from some orders that I had, and I kept them, and it's gonna help me a lot for this project. So I just split them on half, so I gave a good 3 layers of those styrofoams. And now my garden picnic suitcase, I will decorate with all those flowers. I'm adding some greeneries around, and now all those flowers that I have for spring, I'm gonna add them randomly, and we're gonna create a beautiful flower basket, centerpiece, corner piece. Whenever you like, you can put it on your home decor for your Easter, for this coming spring, and it's gonna look beautiful. So like I said, randomly I'm adding all those mixture of flowers, and as I'm making them, as I'm putting them on the styrofoam, I'm gonna show you the tags from Dollar Tree, so if you like them, to look for them by the name tags. So like I said, I'm going all over, adding randomly berries. I think there's lilacs, dahlias, baby breads, heather. I think that's all I can remember. There is more to it, but even if I'm a lover of those flowers, I don't know half of their names. Greenery bouquet, that's what it says. Heather, baby breath, dahlias or dahlias, lilac, cattails, and more. And next, to add extra detail to my suitcase, I made couple of loops from this Dollar Tree ribbon, but it doesn't work for me. This ribbon, as much as it's beautiful, it's silk and there is no wires to it, and it's so hard to make a bow out of it. But somehow I made it up, and now I'm opening up the loops on each side to make that large bow. And look at that beautiful spring color on it with the lettering with some words. Really liking the color. So when I made the bow, I'm trying to add it on the suitcase and cutting off the edges onto a fishtails. But I think this large bow is way too much together with the flowers, and at the end I only ended up putting 2 loops on each side of that bow, and that's about it for this project. I really had fun making this beautiful flower spring basket. Let me know what do you think, and if you're gonna remake it, if you have by any chance a picnic suitcase at your homes. I added my beautiful bunnies on the side just to see how it's gonna look, and I'm really loving it with all that beautiful mixture of flowers. Before I let you go, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had so much fun watching me creating all those beautiful spring collection with these new spring colors. And before I let you go, don't forget to check out the description box with the playlist and the amazing ladies and the hosts, Tammy, Ellie, and the guest host, Brenda. Thank you so much for having me today. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. And we will see you at my tea party next time. Bye-bye.